Now, the students, our next chapter is percentages. Our next chapter is percentages. So, what is a percentage? So, how to find a percentage, how to convert percentage into fraction or in decimal. So, all the things we are going to discuss in this chapter. Percentages. So, always we calculated with 100. Okay. So, total we are considering as 100. In that, how much we completed, that comes under percentage, okay. Here in the warm up time, so here mother and daughter is there. So, daughter, she is asking, mom, what percent of homework have you completed so far? Suppose so and so whatever the homework is there, that we consider as 100. The total percentage we always, so we should taken as 100%. 100 total means 100%. In that 100%, how much what percent of homework so have you completed so far? Generally, so in our daily life we are using this percent, means 20% I completed, 30% I completed. If you travel so far distance from your home to so another city, 200-300 kilometers so and so. So, suppose if you travel 135 kilometers so and so, so then what percent you completed? So, it means approximately 40% I completed, 45% I completed. It means we are saying generally, so in our life, in daily life, we are using percentage. What percent you completed? 40% means, so think that more 60% is left. So, like that, so we guess means 100%, total percent we consider as 100%. In that, in our daily life, generally we are using percentages. So, here also daughter, she is asking to her mother, mom, what percent of the homework have you completed so far? Suppose if she answered like 70% I completed, then so what about the remaining only 30% left, means more than half completed. So, 70%. So, in that way we can understand how much percent is completed, then how much percent is left. So, these are the things there in the percentages. So, in the chapter we are going to discuss, so what is actually percentage means and how to convert percentage into fraction or decimal. If fractions or decimals there, then how to convert into percentages. All these things we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay. Now, students, next in learning time we are going to discuss about percentages. So, what is actually percentage means? So, percentage symbol, this is a symbol for percentage. Okay. We know what is the symbol for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and here this is a symbol for percentage. Okay. Then, so what is actually percentage? When we say percent means we are really saying that percent, cent means 100, percent, cent means always 100%. Per 100 how much? That is comes under percentage. Percentage means in 100 how much? That is the percentage, percent. Okay. Now, here see here 1 to 100, so equal parts. So, we are dividing this into 100 equal parts. 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, total 100 equal parts are there. Suppose if we complete, means if we shade one part, so if we shade one part, this is out of 100, if we shade one part, then what percent we shaded here? So, 1%, it is called 1%. It means 1%. In hundreds, 1 we shaded, 1 we completed, 1 is over. So, it means 1% means 1 is over, 1% is completed. 1% means in out of 100. So, percent, whenever percent is there, then we have to calculate out of 100. Out of 100%, then how much part it is completed, how much part it is over. In our mobile phone also, if something we downloaded here percentage, he will give percentage, how much download is completed. So it is calculated about 100%. In percent per 100, how much it's completed, how much download is completed. So it means percent means per 100 how much portion it's completed. So here one part, if one portion is completed means one portion is shaded out of 100, then how can we represent? We represent as 1%. 1%. 1% symbol like this. If you take one, if you write 1%, so how can we read this one? 1%. It means 1%. Cent means 100. In 100, one portion is completed. Okay. Suppose in example, here in example 100 boxes, 100 grids were given. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 in row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 in column. 10 in row and 10 in column means 10 tens are 100, 100 grids were given. In this 100 grids, if we shaded 50 grids like this, first grid, second grid, third grid, fourth grid, fifth grid, sixth grid, seventh grid, eighth grid, ninth grid, 10th grid. Then in the same way 11th grid, 12th grid, 13th grid, 14th grid, 15th grid, 16th grid, 17th grid, 18th grid, 19th grid, 20th grid. 20 grids. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30 grids. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. These 50 grids we completed. So out of 100, if you shaded 50 grids, then so how it is 50%. 50%. This is the representation of 50%. How to read 50%? 50%. What this 50% means? 50% means 100. 50%. So 50% portion means 50 parts. So equal parts we shaded. 50 parts over 50 parts we shaded. 50%. So out of 100, in 100, if you shaded 50 parts, then how to represent 50%? Then how to read this one? 50%. Then 50%. This is 50% means 100. In 100, 50 parts we shaded. So that comes under percentage. Out of 100, percentage always we calculated out of 100. Out of 100 equal shares, equal parts, then how much portion is completed, that comes under percentage. That comes under percentage. Okay. Now here in the second example, so if we shade 25 boxes, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. In this 25 boxes, 25 grids we colored. So then how much portion we colored? So how much portion we colored here in this? In this we colored 25%. 25%. How to read this one? 25%. So 25% means per cent means 100. In 100, 25 we shaded. In 100, out of 100, how much we shaded? 25 we shaded. So in this way we have to represent percentages. What is percentage? Percentage always we consider, so in 100 equal parts. Okay. So in that how much we completed, how much is over, then how much we colored. So all these things comes under percentage. Then percentage symbol is, this is the symbol for percentage. This is the symbol for percentage. Percent means, per cent means 100. Per 100 how much you completed. So that is our percentage. Okay. Now here, see here, so 50% means 50%. Per cent means 100, in 100 50%. 50% is always, that means half, exactly it is equal to half. So half of the portion, 50% means half of the portion, whatever it is, 50% means half of a portion. Okay. So if we shaded total, if 100 grids, then what about that? So that complete 100%, that complete 100%. If in these grids, if we shaded all 100 grids, then what it means? How much percentage we shaded? Total 100% we shaded. So out of 100, if 100 grids we shade, then that means, so 100% we shaded, 100%. Okay. If complete is over means 100% is over. Okay. So this is about 50%. 50% means half of the portion, half of the part is over, half of the part we did. Okay. Half of the part is completed, 50% means. If 100 grids were there, if 100 if we shaded, that means that is 100%, cent percent means complete. Okay. So this is about 50% and 100%. Now see here, so before what we did, 50%, 100 in 100 50% means 50 grids. So in 100 40% means 40 grids. In 100 20% means 20 grids. In 100 10% means 10 grids we have to color. So when 100 exact 100 grids are there, so it is very easy to say, so 20% is how many grids? That is 20 grids. If I ask in 100 grids, if 17% means 17 grids, it is very easy to say. So but if the number of grids decrease or increase more than 100 or less than 100, then how to decide, so how many grids we have to shade according to the given percent, according to given percentage. Here see, in this example total 80 grids are there. 80 grids. How many grids are there? 80 grids were there. So in that 100% is how much? 100% means total 80 grids. So no doubt 100% means total how many grids are there? That complete grids we have to shade. Either it is 100 grids or 80 grids or 70 grids, whatever is given. Here 100% of 80. Then how to find 100% means, first we have to take given percent. We have to take given percent by total percentage, always we calculated with as 100. So multiply with 80. Okay, multiply with 80. Then 100 ones are 100 ones are 1 by 1 is 1 by 1 1 into 80, that is 80 grids. 100% means 80 grids. 100% means 80 grids. Now 50% of 80, so already we discussed what about 50% means. 50% means half. 50% means half. So whenever half is completed, if half is shaded, if half is over, that is nothing but 50% is completed. Here in 80 grids, half of 80 means 40. 40 grids, 50%. Then how to find numerically? So first what we have to do? So we have to take given percentage by total percentage is 100 into how many grids are there? 80. That we have to take. Now, here 10 5s are 50, 10 10s are 100, 10 10s are 100. Then after that 10 1s are 10, 10 8s are 80, 10 8s are 80. Now, what is left? 5 into 8, 5 into 8. Here by 1 is there, no need to write. 5 8s are 40, 40 grids. 50% of 80 means 40 grids. How many grids? 40 grids. Now, after that 5% of 80 grids, then how many grids it is? 5% means given percentage by total percentage into 80 into 80. These two we have to cancel with 10. 10 10s are 100, 10 8s are 80. One time we cancelled. Now we cancel these two. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Then after that, these two again we have to cancel with 2 table. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Then in the numerator, so what is left in the numerator? 1 into 4 by 1. 1 into 4 is 4. 4 by 1. 4 by 1 is 4. So 5% of 80. If 5%, if he asks to shade 5% in 80 grids, means how many grids we have to shade? We have to shade 4 grids. If you shade 4 grids, that means 4% in 80. So we completed. Okay. So it shows 5%. 5% in 80 grids. Okay. Now, this is about how to find the percentage according to the given number. Given number. Okay. We have to take given percentage by total percentage into, so that given how many grids, how many numbers, how many, what is the value. So that value we have to take. Okay. Now, here next one, a percent can also be expressed as a decimal or a fraction. Percentage. So percentage we can express in a fraction, also we can express in decimals. Already we did how to convert fractions in decimals, decimals into fraction. It means if once a fraction, if once a decimals we convert into fraction, automatically we can convert the fraction into decimal also. Okay. It means, so the fractions we can express in a decimal as well as in fraction also. Okay. First one, how to convert the fraction into decimals as well as in fraction. Half can be written. So half can be written, so as a percentage. Half means 50%. In a percentage, 50. 50 means half of a portion. 50 percentage. 50% means half of a portion. Suppose it is a pizza complete. If half of a pizza, so if you ate half of the portion, if you ate, then how much percent you ate? 50% you ate. 50% you ate. Half means 50%. Half can be in the decimal form. How to take this in decimal form? Decimal form, 50 in decimal form, that is we have to take 50 by total percentage, then 0 0 get cancelled, means how this 0 0 will get cancelled? 10 5s are 10 10s are. So when we cancel with 10, then you will get 10 5s and 10 10s are. So whenever in the last zeros are there, just to cancel like that only. So how? So if you divide with 10, so then you will get the 5 and 10 only. So that is why indirect, so we cancel zeros. If last zeros are there, then only we do this one. If 5s are there, here 5, here 4 is there, here 4 is there, don't cancel 4 and 4. Okay. If 0 is there, then only we can cancel, otherwise don't cancel other numbers other than 0 is there. then 5 by 10, 5 by 10. So 5 by 10 means 5 tenths. This is tenths in the fraction we discuss. By 10 means tenths. Tenths, how to write this tenths? 0.5. 5 we have to take in tenths place. Which place? Tenths place. It is 0.5. 5 by 10 means 0.5. In the expanded form, in the fraction, in the decimals we wrote in the previous chapters. Okay, tenths means 0.5. So this is the percentage. This percentage we converted as a decimal, that is 0.8. Then how to convert in a fraction? In a fraction means the percentage, given percent by total percent, 0 get cancelled. Then after that 5 ones are 5 twos are. It is 1 by 2. It is in fraction. Percentage half means 1 by 2. Then 50% means in the fraction it is 1 by 2. In the decimal it is 0.5. This is the method to convert the percentage into decimal and percentage into fraction. Okay. Now here calculate 25% of 80. So in the same way these questions, 25% of 80, 5%, 50%, 100% of 80. So here also one example is given, 25% of 80 we have to calculate. Then how to calculate? 25% means first we have to take given percent by total percent into 80 into 80. Here 1 0 is there, here 1 0 is there, 0 get cancelled in the numerator and in the denominator. This 80 is in the numerator. Why? By 1 is there here, nothing is there means by 1 is there. One numerator and one denominator have a common factor. So then with that common factor we have to cancel. Then after that this numerator and this denominator have common factor 5. Then cancel with 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. Then after that this denominator and this numerator have common factor 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 4s are. Now what is left in the numerator? 5 into 4 by the denominator 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 5 4s are 20, 20 by 1 means 20. In 80 grids, if you ask to shade 25 means 25% means 20 grids we have to shade. How many grids we have to shade? 20 grids we have to shade. Okay. Now see here in example 2. So 15% of 200 apples were bad. Then how many apples were bad? So number of apples we have to find. In third example, if only 10 of the 200 apples were bad, then what percentage is that? Here percentage we have to find. Here we have to find the percentage. Here we have to find the number of apples. Number of apples that are bad. Percentage is given, we have to convert into number. Here number is given, so that we have to convert into percentage. Then see here how to convert this into number of apples. So then how many apples are bad? 50%. 50% bad means 15%, 15% by total percentage that we consider as 100. 15% by total percent into total how many apples are there? 200 apples that we have to write. Okay. 15% by total percent into total apples. Then here 1 0, here 1 0, here 1 0, here 1 0. Then there is no by means by 1 is there. In the numerator 15 into 2 is left. 15 into 2 by, in the denominator 1 into 1. 1 into 1. 15 2s are 30. 30 by 1, that is 30. It means 15% of 200 apples were bad, means 30 apples are bad. 30 apples are bad. Apples were bad. So 15% in 200 apples, 15% means how many? 30 apples are bad. How many apples are bad? 30 apples were bad. So first we have to take the given percentage by total percentage is 100 into number of apples given 200. So now cancel and simplify it, so that you will get 15%. Okay. So now here in this solution in example third, here only 10 of 200 apples were bad. Here number of bad apples were given 10. 10 apples in 200 so are bad. Then what percent is bad? What percent is bad? See here how to convert this into percentage. First 10 bad apples by in the total apples by total apples into percentage we have to take. Percentage is 100. Percentage is 100. Then 10, 10, 10, 10 get cancelled. Then after that in the numerator 10 into 1. 10 into 1 by 2. Now you cancel with 2. 2 1s are, 2 5s are. In the numerator 5 into 1 by 1. 5 1s are 5. 5 by 1 it is 5. 5 apples. 5% apples. 5% apples are bad. 5% apples. So if 10 of the 200 apples were bad, means only 5% apples were bad. Only 5% apples were bad. Only 5% apples were bad. Okay. So this is the way to convert when percentage is given to number of apples. Here number of apples given, then how to convert into percentage. Percentage into number, number into percentage. Okay. Now see here, so write as percentage. Here we have to convert this as percentage. It is very easy to convert into percentage. So then, so how to convert 35 by 100 into percentage? So here by 100 is there. So whenever percentage, if you want to convert into percentage, so we have to multiply with 100. 35 by 100 into 100. 100 ones are, 100 ones are. Then 35, only 35 is left. That is 35%. 35%. Now 25 by 100 means 25 by 100 we have to take as it is, into 100 we have to take, into 100. Then 100 ones are, 100 ones are. Then 25 into 1 by, in the denominator there is no by, means by 1. 1 by 1 means 1. 25 ones are 25 by 1 it is 25. Then 1 by 100 means, so the fraction we have to take 1 by 100 into 100. Then 100 ones are, 100 ones are. So this is in percentage we have to write 25%. Here 1 ones are 1. 1 by 1 means 1%. 1%. Next, the fourth question, 87 by 100. 87 by 100. Then, so first given fraction we have to take 87 by 100 into 100. Then 100 ones are, 100 ones are. Then what you will get? 87 ones are 87 by 1. No need to take that by 1. 87 means 87%. This is 87%. Now, the fraction 99 by 100 into 100, then 100 ones are, 100 ones are. Then what you will get? 99 by 1 means 99%. What is the percentage? 99 by 100 means 99%. 99%. Okay. Now, 24 by 25. 24 by 25. How much it is? How much it is? Now, the given fraction we have to take 24 by 25 into 100 we have to write. Percentage means 100. 25 ones are 25 fours are 25 fours are 100. Then what is left? 24 into 4. 24 into 4. Next 96%. 96%. Now 2 by 5 percentage means 2 by 5 fraction percent means 2 by 5 into 100. Now 2 by 5 percentage means 2 by 5 into 100. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, 20, 5 20s are 100. Then 2 into 20. Then 2 20s are 40%. 2 by 5 means 40%. Now 13 by 20% means 13 by 20 into 100. Last zeros cancel. 2 ones are 2 fives are. Then 13 into 5. 13 fives are 65%. 65%. 150 by 1000. Then how much percent? 150 by 1000 into 100. 2 zeros get cancelled and 1 zero will get cancelled up and down. So the 15 is left. 15%. 15%. Now here 114 by 200. Percent means we have to multiply with 100. 2 zeros we have to get cancelled. These two have common factor. 2 ones are 2 fives are 10. Here 11 is there. 1 left. 2 sevens are 14. 57%. 57%. Okay. Whenever fraction is given to convert into percentage means we have to multiply with 100. Either it is a decimal or it is a fraction. How to convert into fraction? How to convert into percentage? So just we have to multiply with 100 and simplify it and write your answer. Okay.